Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. In the second session, we focus on grammar galaxy 2, right? Okay, so in this session, you will focus on exercises because you already finished all the units in our textbook, right? But today you will focus on exercises in the midterm part. Okay, so now you can open the book all together on page 83. So on page 83, you will see the word midterm, units 1 through 8. And we have a few exercises, from letter A until letter G. But today we will focus only from letter A to letter C. Now focus on exercise A altogether. A. Circle the correct words. Okay, so before you do this, I would like you to read some information altogether. 1. Wendy is playing music or a music. Which one is correct? 2. He is reading a book. A book or the book is very popular. A book or the book. 3. Look at moon or the moon. It's so big and round. 4. Tim and Jenny are waiting for their mother. 5. These flowers are for you. 6. Please help us or we can't understand this question. 7. Are there some or any chairs in that room? Okay, so after reading the information, I hope you can get some point that you need to circle, right? Okay, so now I have 30 seconds for you to complete this exercise and then I'll correct for you. Now, do it. Finish everyone? Good job. Okay, so now let's check the answer all together. Okay, number 1, Wendy is playing music or a music? It must be music, right? Okay, why do you choose music? Because music is uncount noun, we don't use a, right? Okay, how about number 2? He is reading a book. The book or a book? It must be the book. Because we mentioned at the second time, right? Yeah, when we mention the thing at the second time, you use the, okay? Alright, so now let's continue to number 3. Look at moon or the moon, everyone. It must be the moon, right? Because the moon is the only one thing in the world, okay? Alright, so now let's continue to number 4. Tim and Jenny are waiting for their, yeah, we have two styles, their and their, that's okay. So here we use as the possessive adjective. We must use their here. Their, okay? Their mother. Alright, so how about number 5? These flowers. You look at the noun after it, okay? So flowers with S, right? So we must use this. This plus flower plus plural noun, but this plus singular noun. Okay, number 6, please help us or we. It must be help us, right? Because us is an object and we is the subject. We should stand in front, right? In front of the verb. Okay, the last one, number 7, are there some or any? It must be any, right? Because it is in the question form, we use any. Alright, so now let's continue to part B altogether. B. Circle the correct words. 8. There are a lot of coffee in the pot. Okay, there are or there is. 9. They like or are liking baseball. Okay, like or are liking. 10. Be quiet. The baby sleeps or is sleeping now. 11. He doesn't call or won't call her tomorrow. 12. John will take or takes you home. 13. I'm going meet or to meet Kate tonight. 14. The dog is swimming and swimming. So swimming, one swimming with double M and the other one only one M. Alright, so now I have 30 seconds for you to complete this exercise and then I'll correct for you. Now, do it. Finish everyone? Good job. Okay, so now let's check the answer all together. There is or there are a lot of coffee. A lot of coffee. Coffee is uncountable noun, right? So uncountable noun we use with there is. So the correct answer is, okay, there is. Okay, so number 9, they like or they are liking baseball. It must be like, right? We use simple present. Okay, so how about number 10? Be quiet. The baby sleep or is sleeping? It must be is sleeping now. We use present continuous because the action is still going, right? Okay, so now let's continue to number 11. He doesn't call or he won't call. It must be won't call because of the word tomorrow, right? Won't call her tomorrow. It shows the future, right? Okay, so number 12. John will take or takes. It must be take, no as. We use after modal verb, we use a simple verb. We don't add s or ed or something else, right? Just use a simple verb. 13. I'm going meet or to meet. It must be to meet. Going to do something, right? Okay, not going meet, going to meet. 14. The dog is swimming and one more swimming. Okay, so the correct answer it must be double M with double M, right? Okay, because vowel, consonant, vowel, so we double the last consonant. Okay, so now we finish part B and I hope you can understand, you can use all your answers are correct. Well, so now let's continue to part C. C. Fill in each blank with the correct word from the box. So how many words in the box? Are, is, do, does. Okay, so number 15. They doing their homework. So which one do you use? Okay. 16. They play football every day. 17. She crying. 18. She have a brother. Okay, so now I have 20 seconds for you to do this exercise. Then I'll correct for you. Now, do it. Finish everyone? Good job. Okay, so now let's check the answer all together. So number 15, they doing. So this one you must use are, right? Because you see the word doing, right? Okay, are they doing? You cannot say do they doing, no. Okay, are they doing their homework? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Okay, number 16. They play football every day. So this one you must use do, okay? You must use do. Do they play football every day? You cannot say are they play, okay? No, are they playing like that? Okay, so 17. She crying again. So this one you must use is, right? Okay, you must use verb to be, because you see the verb cry, crying. How about one more? She had a brother. So this one we have only one more word, right? Does. So it must be does. Does she have a brother? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Okay, so now we finish exercise A until exercise C, and I hope you can recall what you have learned so far, and you all understand all of these points. Okay, so this is the end of our second section, and see you in the next video. Goodbye, class.